Okay, now two sections was there. Now going to another section will design. Okay, so first we'll import the image. Okay, export it. Second one also export. Wait a minute, guys. Okay, okay. All both images is downloaded. Now we'll start the work. So our nav bar is done. Now is banner, home page banner. I'm using only one image. So okay. Now one more thing is there. There is content and button. So here I will give Okay, so first we are going to design that banner section. So we'll take two section also, left side and right side. Okay, so we want as like a same in like a 50-50 width of each uh, banner. So we'll write a flex box also. So this we are giving here this flex, so display flex. Okay, if we give display flex, it will automatically take. Okay, and we can implement also as a grid. So we can also use a grid create CSS. So lot of online option also you can also create like like that. You can choose also like that. Select two section was there, parent sections you can give it to like that also. Okay, we are not giving gap, so you can write out a gap of 0. So you can also use like that, it will also work. Sorry, home page banner is there, so we can give it to here. Parent child is there, that one, that's why we'll give here. If you see, remove gap, so gap is 0. You can see it will also look like okay, like it will you can see it will scrolling because of image is not responsive. So we'll give some common classes for images, like you can see our project also we are using few common classes for gelata. You can see okay, okay, you can see display block max width is 100%. You can give it, it's a common few things like a common like that, body and HTML same like that. So after that you can see okay, okay, display flags. this one to get 10. Okay, so we always use, first we'll use flexbox, later we'll use grid. I will explain later. Display, you just flex, it will take properly. Okay, now next one is